welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to be making a cute and simple card. I don't think this is going to take too long to make because I did some of the work behind the scenes. We're just going to kind of do some die cutting and stamping and then we're done. So if you want a quick and easy card, this is going to be your card. So a few products that we're going to be using. We're going to be using scallop circles from the Stamp Market, the checkered cover, and then we're going to be using Petal Playtime, I believe is what it's called. Yep. And then the Simple Circle Sentiment. And then, so those are the things that we're going to be using. Now, I went ahead and did the card panel off camera. I used Park Lane's cardstock. I don't have the name of the color. It's just, you know, because they don't give you the name of that. So I did that off camera only because in a previous video I did do this card. So I did show how I created that checkered background. So if you want to see how I did this checkered background, be sure to check the previous video. I'll have it listed in the description box below. But in that video I did this card and I showcased this card that I did off camera using these flowers. So they were so much fun and I'm glad that I can redo this, not redo it, but add that checkered background to another card. So it's part of their, I think their June release, and June or July, and I just, I'm obsessed. Okay, so with that being said, I'm going to move those to the side so I don't ruin them because one is going to be sent out later. But so I am debating on a couple things. I have this pretty playful pink or peach color for the card base, but I might do white on white. I think it's going to determine how this is going to look. So I have some options, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some die cutting. I'm going to do white on white. So that's what I'm thinking of doing for at least this card. We'll see. Okay, so this is just an 80-pound cardstock, and I'm going to get these scallop circles. I think I'm going to bring in these. Now, I really want to make a card. I'm probably going to do it off camera, but I really want to make a card with this. It would be so much fun. So I think I'll do that one plus maybe this. Oh my gosh, yes, this is going to work. Okay, oops. So I'll just set that aside here. Actually, I think this scrap will work. Yep, it does. Okay, let's run that through the machine. Okie doke. Bring out my magnet. And, oh, this one did not come out. I'm gonna have to use my pokey tool. That one came out, so that's good. Okay, oh, look how pretty that is. So pretty. Love it. Okay. And then that little doodad is gonna go right in the center of that. Yeah, that's gonna look good. Okay, I don't think I need my magic mat unless I mess up on the stamping, which that may happen. I don't know if it would have been more beneficial to stamp and then die cut, probably. So maybe if you're doing this card, I would stamp first and then die cut. Well, I don't know. I think it could go either way, honestly. So I'll just butt this up against to put some tape on there so it don't shift, because my little magnet is just not going to work. I'm going to do You Are So Kind, Thank You. I actually have someone I could give this to in mind. So this is going to work out perfectly. Okay, so what I'm going to do is get some acetate and stamp this and see if I actually hit the center. I mean, it's not like I can't recut it, but you know, we don't like to waste material, right? Okay, so I'm just gonna put that over that, and then we'll get that stamped up. And this also conditions it, so that's nice. Seasons it, if you will, Okay. Okay, I think I'm a little off. So I need to give that another try. Make sure I really get a good impression because I have a feeling it's going to lift. Oh, nope, it didn't. That turned out so good. Let me just do it one more time. Oh, perfect. This is really, I don't think I could line it up any better. So I think this peach color is going to probably be, I think that's going to be the best bet, because if I do this one, it's a lot of, well, wait a minute. I kind of like that. I like this one. Yep, that's the one I'm going to do. Okay, let's get that scored at 5.5. I'm going to peel that back. I need some foam, my foam panel, just to give it some dimension, and then of course stand up and try to get that centered. There we go. That looks good. Okay, so I'm going to add some really thin foam tape to the back of this, just because that's pretty thick to be adding foam tape to. In addition to this, I should say. So that's why I'm opting for a little bit of a thinner foam tape. Okay, so I'm going to have it orient this way because I want the thank you to be towards the top. And there we go. That looks good. Now for these, I'll just go ahead and directly glue them on. I told you guys, this is a simple card, easy peasy. I'll go ahead and show you after we're done with this one, the other card I made with this die set. Oh, so fun. Okay. And actually, I'm gonna actually have that glue dry up a little bit because I kind of want it to come up a little bit like that. That'd be cute. So I'm only going to press on the center of that and then how these come up. It will dry and then, I mean, if it gets smushed down, I'm not too worried about that. And then of course, now that would be kind of cool if you emboss that. I didn't think about that. That would be kind of cool. Do some gold embossing. That would be nice. Okay. And then she's done, well, actually she's not quite done because I need to add some embellishments. Okay, I think I found my placement of my sequins. I'm doing even, and yes, I know you should do odd, but you know what? I'm making my own rules on this card. Supposedly odd is more pleasing to the eye, and I agree for sure, but I just feel like this card needs 6 of them, and if you say otherwise, well, that's your opinion, and you're welcome to it, right? Now, do we need one in the middle to make it the odd? And perhaps we might. Or no. Whoops. Is it too predictable? That's what I want to know. Is it too predictable? No, we're not going to do it. I think it's just too predictable for my liking, and we're just not going to do it. Okay, let me get this cleaned up, and I'm going to show you this card up close. And then I'm also going to show you the other card that I made. So here is the final card, and I absolutely love how this turned out. I wasn't quite sure if I really liked the color combination, but honestly, I think it just works. So I did the other two cards off camera, and here's this one. This one has a lot of dimension, and I went ahead and added silver embellishments on the floral and also on the card itself. And then I did silver embossing. It says, "Your friendship means so much." I love, 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 love this one. And then for the final one, I decided to make three of them, and I did this one. So what I did is, part of that set also has those butterflies, and I went ahead and used embossed it in silver embossing powder to create my own little pattern, and then I just put a note to say, and then when you open it you could put, you know, whatever you want in there. So, and of course then I added that center floral to match the base of the card. So here they all are, all three of the cards, and I don't know, they all turned out super cute. I love, love this set. Yeah, I don't know. And here's the other two cards that I did in the previous video. So let me zoom out a little bit. So it's part, again, it's part of their release that they had in the, I think it's either June or July. But here are all the cards, and I gotta say, let me just scooch this over so it's in center a little bit. But yeah, this variety pack, this could be sold as a single pack, or it could be these two together, this one separate and these two together. I don't know, however you want to do it. But oh, guys, I love it. I had so much fun making these. So, alright, well, that is all I have for you in this video. So, thank you so much for watching. I will catch you guys in the next card or craft video. Bye.